Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a Mexican cuisine. It's a flavorful soup made from hominy and slow cooked with meat, usually pork or chicken. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as pozole, pozole, lay, pozole. Pozole is typically enjoyed during special occasions such as Mexican Independence Day, Christmas, and other festive gatherings. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about pozole, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.